possessed out of fear that they never had to lose. Are we changing? I need you to say that tomorrow we're safe from my yesterday.
What's up, family? I hope you guys are doing well and were able to enjoy this Los Angeles nostalgic piece we were able to put together for you. Over these last couple of days, I've started to feel this sense of nostalgia for how things used to be, but also this sense of excitement and curiosity for what's in store for us. This video had a good amount of sound design in it, and the music was also curated to sort of embody this nostalgic feel. At least that's what we were going for, but I would love to know what you guys think. On another note, it is a beautiful Friday night, and I hope you guys are all doing well and safe. This week is my first week really giving YouTube a full-on push, but every week I'm trying to challenge myself to be a little bit more creative and a little bit more risk-taking as it relates to the types of content that I'm putting out there. I think that this is what I've got to do starting off, and I'm trying to embrace every second of it. On that note, I hope you guys are all having a beautiful and wonderful day, and if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications. We have a lot of fun content planned for the rest of this year, and I'm hoping you guys will enjoy it. But other than that, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Much love, everyone. Peace.